How to deposit money in Binance app. Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to deposit money in Binance app. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your Binance app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your Binance app. Once you have updated your Binance app, you are going to open it and then sign in with your account. Right here, I will be teaching you both in the Binance Lite and on the Binance Pro. First, if you are on the Binance Lite, you just simply go to your wallets found on the lower right corner of the screen. And then right here, you may be able to see the deposit or buy crypto option right here. So, in order for you to deposit a money, simply click on deposit and make sure to choose fiat instead of crypto. So right here, you may choose USD, PHP, your euro, and many more. So let's say for example, you want to choose euro. Click on euro and then wait for it to load. And then if ever you change your mind and change the currency, you may click on this currency option right here and change it to whichever you want. And then there are recommended methods right here to deposit, and there are also other methods right here. So you may um, deposit with the use of your card like Visa or MasterCard. So click on continue once you have chosen your desired method and type in your information such as your name, your card number, your expiry date, the CVV or security code, press on next and simply follow the steps needed. So that's how you can deposit money on Binance with the light version. But if you want to um, deposit a money on Binance Pro, so let's just turn this into Pro first. What you're going to do is to simply go to wallets as well, found on the lower right corner of the screen, and then simply do the steps that I have mentioned before. Click on deposit crypto and then go to cash right here since you want to deposit money, and then choose the currency that you want, and then you may choose the recommended methods or the other methods right here and simply follow the steps needed. So that's it. That's how you can deposit money in Binance app. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.